Hey besties, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys 5 websites that give free money. I understand completely, perfectly what it means to be broke. Yes, if you're struggling with cash, I understand, I get it, and I know how frustrating it can be. In today's video, I'll share with you how to get money from these 5 free websites. If this is something you're interested in, keep on watching this video all the way till the end. If you're new here, please introduce yourselves in the comments. I'd like to know you and meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are amazing. Thank you for your love and your incredible support. I see you and I appreciate every single one of you from the depths of my heart. And if you're seeing me for the very first time, let me also go ahead and introduce myself. My name is Mariam. I'm a wife. I'm based here in California. I'm a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, I share with you all things money. Yes, so if you're looking for free money or you're looking for ways to make money from the comfort of your home, I've got you guys covered. Yes, so without further ado, guys, let's just get right into today's business. So come with me, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Besties, I'm sure that you agree with me that money allows us to meet our basic needs, to buy food and shelter and pay for healthcare. Meeting these needs is essential, and if we don't have enough money to do it, our personal well-being and the well-being of the community as a whole suffers greatly. Money is something very important, guys. Beyond the basic needs, even money helps us achieve our life's goals and support the things that we care most deeply about: family, education, healthcare, charity, adventure, and fun. Money helps us get some of life's intangibles: freedom and independence, the opportunity to make the most of our skills and talents, the ability to choose our own course in life, financial security. Yes, with money, much good can be done. Yes, and much unnecessary suffering can be avoided or eliminated. Guys, have you heard of the Andrew W. Mellon Foundation? The Andrew W. Mellon Foundation endeavors to strengthen, promote, and where necessary, defend the contributions of the humanities and the arts to human flourishing and to the well-being of diverse and democratic societies. To this end, it supports exemplary institutions of higher education and culture as they renew and provide access to an invaluable heritage of ambitious, path-breaking work. The foundation makes grants in 5 core program areas: the higher education and scholarship in humanities, arts and cultural heritage, diversity, scholarly communications, and international higher education and strategic projects. Andrew Mellon Foundation is available for you. Head over to their website and start to apply for grants right away. Now, the second one is the Bloomberg Philanthropies. Have you heard of the Bloomberg Philanthropies? Guys, they work to ensure better, longer lives for the greatest number of people by focusing on 5 key areas: the arts, education, the environment, government innovation, and public health. It is available for everyone to apply. Head over to their website and start to apply right away. Guys, have you heard of the Silicon Valley Community Foundation? It is the acronym of SVCF. They offer grants to eligible organizations through their strategic grant making, and their focus areas are economic security, education, immigration, and building strong communities. Yes, the Silicon Valley Community Foundation is available for you. Head over to their website and start to apply right away. Guys, have you heard of the Leona M. and Harry B. Hamsley Charitable Trusts? Guys, they strive to make a meaningful impact in their focus areas, employing not only their significant financial assets, but also a rigorous and results-oriented approach. They are committed to close and productive partnerships with their grantees, as well as with other funders and impact players in governments, academia, and the private sector who share their interests and goals. They endeavor to be forward-thinking in every aspect of their work, which includes taking risks that others cannot or will not, when they include that the risk or reward trade-off warrants investments. Now, have you heard of the Hemsley Charitable Trusts? Guess what? They aspire to improve lives by supporting exceptional efforts in the US and around the world in health and select place-based initiatives. Leona M and Harry B. Helmsley Charitable Trust is available for you. You can access this from any part of the world. Have you guys heard about the Rockefeller Foundation? Guys, here is the mission of the Rockefeller's Foundation. They have not changed it since 1913, and their mission is to promote the well-being of humanity throughout the world. Today, they pursue the mission through dual goals by advancing inclusive economies that expand opportunities for more broadly shared prosperity and building resilience by helping people, communities, and institutions prepare for, withstand, and emerge stronger from acute shocks and chronic stresses. To achieve these goals, they work at the intersection of 4 focus areas, which is advance health, revalue ecosystems, secure livelihoods, and transform cities to address the root cause of emerging challenges and create systemic change. Together with partners and grantees, the Rockefeller Foundation strives to catalyze and scale transformative innovations and create unlikely partnerships that span sectors and take risks that other people cannot. Guys, in my next video, I'm going to be sharing secret websites where you can get free money. Yes, these are websites that you can access from any part of the world, and they are willing and ready to part with funds to help you make your dreams become a reality. Just so you know, grants can help you pay for housing, education, business, disaster relief, and so much more. You can get free money and help you, you can use it to provide something of value and get something in return. So besties, grants can help you provide valuable resources to carry out projects or provide services that you would not have been able to do if you didn't have the money. Grants are there to alleviate you of financial burdens. Yes, so these are websites that actually give out free money every single time, but most of the time people are not aware of these organizations or institutions, or but here on this channel, I'm constantly doing research and I'm sharing with you guys free of charge on this channel. Please head over to all of these websites and start to apply for these grants as quickly as possible. As always, I'm constantly doing research for you guys. If you want me to do a research tailored to your specification, please let me know in the comments. Please note there are no stupid questions on this channel. Ask your questions and I'll be more than happy to respond to every single one of you. Just so you know, this is not just my channel. It is your channel. It is our channel. Yeah, so feel free to ask your questions and I'll be more than happy to respond to every single one of you. If you have any question for me, please feel free to leave it in the comments. If you want to see more of grants videos on my channel, please let me know. But if you want to see more of how to make money online videos, let me know as well. I'm working for you and I'm rooting for you guys day and night. I'm your host, your bestie, your friend, your bestie, Mariam. And of course, I'm signing out right now. I'll see you guys in my next video. If no one has told you today, let me be the first to tell you that you are amazing and I am super duper proud of you. All right, guys, take care of yourselves. I'm going to express, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.